Chapter 3. Why do we even think? We humans have evolved to develop the sophisticated ability to rationalize, analyze, and think simply because it helps us survive. Our mind does an incredible job of keep us alive, but it doesn't help us thrive. It is concerned solely with our safety and survival, but not our fulfillment or joy. The mind's job is to alert us potential dangers in our environment that may threaten our lives. It does its job so well that not only will it scan our immediate surrounding for threat, but it will even reinforce our backlog of past experience to create hypothetical scenario and predict what it thinks could be future potential danger based on our memories. None of this is wrong by any means. The mind is simply doing what it was designed to do. When we don't understand that its only duty is to help us survive, then we will get angry and frustrated with it. All conflict is derived from an innocent misunderstanding. Our mind duty is to keep us alive. Our consciousness duty is to help us feel fulfilled. Your soul is the reason why you are even on the journey in the first place to find peace, love, and joy for yourself. Make to do. But now you may relieve it of its job because we no longer live in the wild where death could be right around the corner in a bush. If we keep using our mind, we will constantly stay in a state of fight or flight. Anxiety, fear, frustration, depression, anger, resentment, and all other negative emotion because the mind thinks everything is a threat to our very existence. If you want to be free, happy, peaceful, and full of love, then you will need to let go of listening only to your mind and go beyond it by tuning into something much greater that will help you not just to survive but to